Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Rajni Sajnani, your English teacher. In last video, I had explained you chapter 4, The Great Banyan Tree, and I had also given you new words and word meanings. Students, today I will explain you question and answers of this chapter, and I will also explain you how to find out answers from the chapter. Question 1. Where do Sam's aunt and uncle live? Now you read the first page of the chapter. I am Sam. My aunt and uncle live near Kolkata in a place called Shibpur. Now students, first of all tell me what's our question? Where do Sam's aunt and uncle live? So now you got your answer in first line of the paragraph, that Sam's aunt and uncle live in Shibpur near Kolkata. Question number 2. How often does Sam visit his aunt and uncle? First of all tell me what is the meaning of often? Often means अक्सर या ज़्यादातर. वैसे ही how often does Sam visit his aunt and uncle? So let's read the paragraph again to find out the answer. I am Sam. My aunt and uncle live near Kolkata in a place called Shibpur. I visit them every year during my summer holidays. In the evening, uncle and I go for a walk. Now here see, here I means Sam. Sam visit his uncle during summer holidays everywhere. So here is our answer. Our answer is Sam visits his aunt and uncle every year during his summer holidays. Question 3. What was the surprise uncle planned for Sam? अंकल ने सैम के लिए क्या सरप्राइज प्लान किया था? सो लेट्स रीड द पैराग्राफ. ही शोज मी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड unusual places. One day, uncle says, Sam, I have a surprise for you. I want to take you to a big park with many unusual trees, bushes and plants. It is called the Botanical Gardens. There in the middle of this place is something special. Now students, here what you had read, that uncle planned to take Sam to the botanical garden to show him the great banyan tree in the middle of the park. Question number 4. Describe the banyan tree. Means banyan tree कैसा था? Now let's read the paragraph to find the answer. When we reach the middle of the garden, I see a huge tree. I think it is a magic tree. It is one tree, but it looks like 100 trees. This is the great banyan tree. So students, you got the answer that the great banyan tree is very large. It is one tree, but it looks like 100 trees. It has roots hanging from its branches. Question 5. What did Sam see when he looked up at the branches? Sam ने क्या देखा when he looked up at the branches? So first, let's read the paragraph. My uncle points to them and say, those are new roots. They will soon reach the ground and go into the soil. They will then become new trunks. Suddenly, I notice some children playing around the tree. Oh, look at those children. They are hanging from those roots. They are having so much fun, I say excitedly. Then I look up at the branches of the tree. Students, here I mean Sam. Sam looked up at the branches of the tree. I see some fruits. Here also I mean Sam. Sam saw some fruits. The color of apple on the branches. There are birds and monkeys eating the juicy fruits. So students, what did Sam see when he looked up at the branches? When Sam looked up at the branches, he saw some fruits. Birds and monkeys were eating the fruits. Question number 6. What did Uncle ask Sam to do before they left? So, students, first of all, tell me, what is the meaning of the question? Meaning of the question is that what did Uncle ask? Uncle ने Sam से क्या करने को कहा? So first, read the paragraph. Do you know, Sam? This tree is more than 250 years old. That makes it one of the oldest tree in India. Says Uncle, come, give this old tree a big hug before we leave. अब यहाँ पे आप देखो अंकल ने क्या बोला? Come and give big hug to this old tree. इसका मतलब our answer is before leaving the park, Uncle asked Sam to hug the old tree. उसने सैम को ओल्ड ट्री को हग करने के लिए बोला. Students, you have to write all these question answers in your English notebook one time. Thank you. Have a nice day.